basically a liaison. All we do is bring like-minded people together to work for a good cause. Full project for two teenage children who decided that India cannot shine if every child does not get treatment, and he bonded with the doctor. Automatically, the time the doctor would take to examine him became half. Plus, a child who is undergoing a treatment for a disease like cancer, this bond led to the expectation of the doctor could see more children because it reduced the time he had to spend with each child, and it increased a lot of productivity. We realized that 2 rupees made such a lot of difference for a little child. Multiply at a very high speed. By the time they accumulate their documents, by the time the clearances happen, the child is going to die. Arrangement of the funds. We give them the money so that the treatment can be started. Hospital. Without donations, there is nothing Helping Hands can do. So automatically the treatment starts by the time the paperwork is done by the doctors and the social workers and Impact Foundation. The treatment has already started and the child is on the road to recovery. 80% to 90% children are always cured. Alright, so that is the important. Now, accommodation cost is 200 rupees. In 200 rupees, you can give a family a roof in a city like Bombay. So it's 4,500 rupees a month.
Anyone from the media would like process? I guess we answered all the questions very well then now.
Hi everyone, Abhira from Times Now. Has your life changed? Like, of course, it has changed after having a baby, but how the perspective, of how you look at things now, like especially something like this for children, have you taken it up after you thought about after having a child and how it has happened?
I think that once you become a parent, you start to become a little more sensitized to these things. You start to feel a little differently for children. Where you, perhaps at one point I've always thought, I like kids, I have younger cousins and I enjoy spending time with them. Once you become a parent and you hear that there is a child who needs help, a child who is sick, suddenly you start to get very unsettled and you feel very uneasy and you feel like you have to do something. You feel like you just cannot tolerate it, you cannot bear it. So it does affect you in a different way.
Well, I think I would agree with you entirely. I think I've always been a bit of a softie, so anything with children has always been very important to me. But I think since I've become a mother, yeah, it's next level. So the minute I heard about Helping Hands, and it was my mom actually who was sitting right there who introduced the work that they're doing to me. And yeah, I didn't hesitate even for a second. It's extremely important work. So more power to you.
This is really the other thing that has really struck me. And it's not been a very long time that we've been working with them, but the remarkable thing is how such small things can make such a difference. What Matthew is saying about this 2 rupee money pop making such a dramatic difference. About 4,500 rupees being enough money to accommodate a family for a month. These are such small sums of money to us. These are the kind of things that you don't think about. You spend that for a meal, 3-4 friends will go out and you watch a movie and...
I mean, the kind of changes that you go through, I don't even know if I can elaborate correctly. But yeah, I mean, I have become sensitive to everything. I think I've just become like a weeping mess. I see like an ad on TV and I'm like, I'm crying, I'm looking at him. So yeah, having your own child is life-changing in every possible way. And I mean, I'm really glad that I got to experience it. And Imran and I both, I think, have changed entirely. I mean, I feel like I have changed entirely. I've grown up. I think I was the child first. So now I'm a grown up. And he, who used to pride himself on being like this ninja-like master of stealth, you know, could be in and out of a room and you wouldn't be able to tell, has now become the clumsiest man on the planet. And every time his daughter is asleep, he will drop everything inside. So
always knows.
इमरान, in terms of medication, आपने अपने बेटी को कई बार लेके गए हुए हॉस्पिटल, आपने कुछ देखा है कि हमारे यहाँ पर मेडिकेशंस में कुछ कमियां हैं, चाहे वो बड़ा एक हॉस्पिटल चाहे छोटा एक हॉस्पिटल?
मेरी जानकारी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है, मैं अपने डॉक्टर पर बहुत भरोसा करता हूँ. I trust that he knows best. I honestly don't have the kind of expertise to say that it is falling short or it's not.
और कोई ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस जो डॉक्टर के पास जाके हुआ है जब आप अपनी बेटी को लेके गए, कोई कितना दर्द वाला हो सकता है, कोई इंजेक्शन, कोई लॉलीपॉप काम प्लानिंग?
उसके जब वैक्सीनेशन वगैरह हो रहे थे तो हम दोनों को बहुत तकलीफ हुई. मैं बहुत वेरी ट्रबल. उस जैसे ही उसको इंजेक्शन लगा वो रोने लगी. So both of us could not take it. So she and I were standing in the corner and रो रही है. Yeah, so she's the youngest sweets now. So yeah.
How have you contributed to the fund to Helping Hands? How?
Actually, आपको एक मजेदार किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. One of the first things that I found out about Helping Hands because they do these packets of nuts, mixed nuts, काजू बादाम किशमिश वगैरह, and it's just simple roasted nuts that are tasty. तो एक दिन मैं घर आया और टेबल पे पड़े थे, मैं खाने लगा. मैंने कहा कि यार ये अच्छी चीज़ है, कहाँ से आई है? It's from Helping Hands. So I wanted to know more about who they are, what do they do, how can we help. So the first thing which we thought of is कि हमारा के लिए जो birth announcements नहीं होते हैं, you send to everyone. So we wanted to get packets of this from Helping Hands. So we thought that कि हमारा की खुशी में in that happiness we wanted to maybe try and help out also. So not just buying regular mithai. So it becomes, in my mind, Imana's contribution.
Hi Imran, and I have come to Pakistan News. इमरान, आपने जैसा भी बताया कि आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो चुकी है फादर बनने के बाद, किस तरीके से अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को, अपनी फिल्मी करियर को और अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को आप मैनेज करते हैं?
मेरी हमेशा कोशिश यही रही है कि मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को प्रायोरिटी दूँ, क्योंकि ये मेरी ज़िंदगी है. एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी कि मुझे वक्त मिले कि मैं अपने घर वालों के साथ घर पे बैठूँ, बाहर जाऊँ, जो भी है. आई शुड हैव टाइम टू स्पेंड विद देम. And that has always been the case. That will never change.
I wanted to say
Sorry, exactly.
contribution. Somebody asked what is his contribution. Imran has been there for us for whatever we've asked him to do. No questions asked. I think that is such a big contribution for somebody who is a celebrity. To just say yes, I will be there for you. I think that is what is so important.
How is the Animus is contributing in this Helping Hands? You've chosen this venue and everything. So what is exactly the whole scenario of this?
They are actually contributing a percentage of their October sales to Helping Hands. And once we all wrap up here, we're going to be passing out donor cards for anyone who else who thinks they're contributing. What was your name? I'll send one to you also.
And Imran, talking about Bollywood, there was a news in UN that their Indian films stereotype and objectify women in a very big way. Do you agree to that?
Sorry, do you repeat that?
UN has a report.
United Nations.
Yeah, UN.
They're watching Bollywood.
Yeah, that they objectify women and stereotype. They show a lot of nudity. That's the highest rate of Bollywood films. So
I think it's unfair to single out Indian films for that. I think media around the world objectifies men, objectifies women. It is not an issue that is exclusive to Hindi films. Absolutely not. Does it happen? Yes, it does. Should it happen? No, it should not. But it's incorrect to say that our films are the only ones who do it.
thank you so much.
Imran, B-Town celebs would be seen visiting Satyamir this season. So, do you have any plans of making an appearance there to discuss any issue?
I think I have not been asked. I don't know if it's an invitation system or people are going by themselves. कौन जा रहा है? Sorry?
सलमान
अच्छा।
कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज पूछे गए हैं।
नहीं, I have not been invited.
मामू जान के बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? उसका जो न्यू पोस्टर आया हुआ है, आमिर आप फिलहाल मिल रहे हैं, आमिर पोस्टर जो
I cannot imagine why people are making so much drama about it. लोग बड़े आसानी से ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं.
नो ये ड्रामा नहीं, बस आपका एक ओपिनियन जानना चाहेंगे इमरान कि आप क्या
उन्होंने कमाल की बॉडी बनाई है.
जी
कमाल की बॉडी बनाई है उन्होंने. मेरा यही ओपिनियन है.
क्या आप कभी वो
लुक के लिए
आप एग्री हो?
सॉरी बट
अगर आपको किसी फिल्म में अगर उस लुक को ट्राई करने का मौका मिले या फिर आपको लगे कि
अच्छी खासी बॉडी बनानी हो बना के रखिए.
न्यूड लुक की बात करें, जैसे आमिर खान ने न्यूड लुक दिया है.
Would you like to follow Amir Khan's footsteps? You know, if you would.
Yeah, I don't have any such qualms about being undressed on camera.
And would you prefer a transistor as well?
I'm from a slightly newer generation. I would use an iPad.
Okay, now last question. Any questions? Now, thank you so much for coming today, and thank you so much for having us.
Thank you all for your time.
Sorry, sir.